Then, I'll be the follow talk so. See.
What's the problem?
If I get any word for your mother again, I go use platform my job.
She didn't say we play. The phone, she come, you come our area, the phone for her.
What is wrong with the phone? No! What's that?
It's fire.
Ah, Odogo, na because say na you. Ah!
Oh yeah, Johnny.
I can walk myself. You don't have to hold me.
From there. This is where you they one place. So you're working a chain, they one place. Huh? But they save you the booker. Now my spirit say make I protect you. I don't know why. All the work anyhow around here. It's Yama don't cast. Everywhere no good. Body the pepper everybody. Look at match. They go now, make I escort you. You won't beat me.
Really, Jide? I can't even believe this. I told you I'll be coming to my PPA today. Not even a text message from you, Jide. Okay. Horrible. Just horrible. You can't believe I got here not less than 2 hours ago. If I didn't leave early. The vehicle was bad. It kept stopping along the way. Like everything about this journey is just horrible, Jide. You don't even want to understand. In fact, some hoodlums attacked me. If not for one guy who showed up. My journey was terrible. Really, Jide? This again? Really? How in the world am I complaining? Tell me! You asked a simple question and I'm giving you a simple response. Now you're saying I'm complaining. Can I even talk to my boyfriend? Like I'm just trying to explain to my boyfriend what had happened to me, how horrible my day was, how everything is going wrong in my life right now, and you're there telling me... Jide, it's late and I'm tired. Good night. Good day, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You are the couple, right?
I am, sir.
Do I look that old?
Oh, no, not exactly, sir. It's just that it's a formal setting, so...
I understand what you're trying to say, but...
Anyways, my name is Sophia Nekwe.
Sophia is a lovely name for beautiful ladies like yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Don't add that to my name. My name is Oliver. So feel free to call me Oliver at any time.
Okay, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes.
Better. Your class is SS3.
Okay, sir. Oh, yes.
I'll take you to principal's office. After then, I will take you to your class for proper introduction.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Oliver.
Better.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Oliver.
Can all sit. We all know that we were promised a copper that would take us on English and literature. And she is the chosen one. Can somebody please clap for her? So, okay. I will allow her to introduce herself.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Miss.
My name is Sophia Anekwe. I'm from Rivers State, and I'm here to teach you English and literature. I hope we have a fantastic time learning together.
Yes, Miss Sophia.
All right. Can somebody... And what were we supposed to say? Thank you. So I want you to all give her maximum attention and respect. All right? Yes. Okay. And who is that fool that is strolling into this class as if he is walking into his father's living room? Turn. Turn, let me see you, young man. So finally, you decided to resume class. And this time, you can go to your seat. Young man, go to your seat. Please. Allow this one to bother you. He is as good as God. I would like you to pay attention when you listen to him. In class, I will leave you to enjoy your new teacher. What did I say? Maximum respect and attention. Thank you.
I know well, but not only you could kill me.
Next.
Make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me. So make it save me now.
Sam, please, can I actually share it with you? I've not eaten since yesterday.
Drop that thing here, you Tolo. Don't be Indomie up. You carry come before. Why are you not going to bring biscuit today? You don't carry Indomie come. Look at that now. What do you want my shop? Drink this cook. What the best way chop salt to go drink? What do you carry come with them?
Not chocolate.
Huh?
I beg man, use this one.
Knee down there. I say knee down here. Idiot. Don't say you go bring things. Indomie, not bring. Every day they drink. I say stay there. I baptize you, I should not be sensitive. You should move your chair. I say stay there. I'm very, very stupid. Why don't you bring Indomie?
Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir.
Why don't you bring Indomie?
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow bring fried rice and chicken. They hear me? I don't want that to go down. Tomorrow bring fried rice and chicken. They hear me?
Thank you, sir.
Idiots. Yes, they bring this. They bring this. Not yet. Come on, Crazy, brother. Everybody just a big biscuit. Nobody want good food. Over there.
I'm seeing two people. Which particular person?
That was sitting there. All those people that don't use though.
My brother, stay. Giving your biscuit or sharing your biscuit with a fellow student, it is not bad. You know, the Bible said, givers never lack. Because you have given, you will never lack. Say amen.
See what?
But what? But what? Are you trying to tell me that all these things I'm saying does not make sense to you? Are you for real? Listen. I just told you that you fulfill a version of the Bible and you're not happy. I was busy when you came to my office with this, and I don't like it. I'm very busy. When such a thing come up again, you make sure you handle it yourself. Eh? It's not everything that comes up you run to Oliver. When Oliver doesn't pay attention to nonsense, this is biblical fulfillment. So rejoice. Alright? So just enjoy it. Let's go and praise God that you have fulfilled.
So you know.
You have fulfilled a version of the Bible. No! Hey! To my office. Hey! Stop! In my office.
Excuse me. Lucas. Well, are you the same person from yesterday? Odogu? Anyway, I truly want to thank you for walking me home safely. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Is he disturbing you? Is he disturbing you already so that I will show him the stuff I am made of?
No, not at all. No, he's not.
That boy is notorious, useless and shameless. His mates are all done with their university education. And yet he's still here, not even bothered. I don't blame him. I blame the school for accepting him into the school. Is he not money they wanted? And his father. Oh, poor man. I even heard that it is because of his father that he's still coming to school. Yet he doesn't want to improve. So shameless.
It's okay, sir. I'll just get my bag and I'll be leaving. I want to go home. Thank you.
Not on your own.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I mean, you should join me so that I can pay for your way home. I'll take you home.
Oh, no, there will be no need for that. Thank you so much. It's fine. Thank you.
But I insist.
And I insist. I can go alone. Thank you.
Hey, babe.
Hi.
I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean what I said in that manner. You misunderstood me completely.
Are you calling to apologize or to claim rights? Telling me I misunderstood you.
I am sorry. Just you know that I hate fighting with you, please.
It's okay.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine.
I should really make our time and come and see you in that village.
That would be nice. I love that.
I will fix it somewhere in my plan.
Really? Okay. I'll be waiting. Babe, listen. There's this novel I'm reading, eh? You need to see the way the guy was.
Babe, can I call you back? I have an email I have to reply to right now, please.
Okay, that's fine. Class, what is written on the board?
Syntax.
What?
Syntax.
Good. So who can tell me what syntax? The definition of syntax. What the hell is going on? Lucas, can you drop your feet on the floor?
See, na teacher you be, no be you get this school. Na teacher you be, no be you get this school. So, it's your work in a chair.
This is a classroom. Drop your feet. Sit properly.
So now you want to tell me how I want to take seat now? As my mama, now you want to tell me as I want to take day. See, if you yarn about a finish, where you come over here?
Okay. Do as you wish. Tell me, what is syntax?
See, waiting. I don't know. I don't know. What do you concern me as syntax?
I never said Cynthia. I said syntax.
I don't send Cynthia, I don't send tax, I don't send all of them. What do they do all the things? I don't know. Tell me what I go use outside the school.
Moving forward. Okay, evening.
The word syntax, it simply means the arrangement of words or phrase that creates well-formed sentence in a language.
Clap for her. Clap properly for her. I hope you all heard what she said.
Yes.
Yes.
Lucas, I need you to come to the office later. I will give you an assignment. Is that clear? Don't see me outside. Yeah. So class, I need you all to study on syntax because I'll be asking you questions on it. Is that clear?
Yes, Mr.
Lucas?
Come, why you answer that question? Brain box, why you answer that question now? Come here.
the assignment.
I no run am.
Why?
I no sabi am.
But that's exactly why it's called an assignment. Yes. You're supposed to give it to someone who knows about it, then the person helps you. As simple as that.
Okay, ma.
Lucas!
I don't matter, I know well, but not only you fit kill me, so make you kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you fit save me, so make you save me now. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sense of flyer. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite.
Hey.
Babe, I'm sorry. Can I call you back in a few minutes' time?
Well, you actually said this the last time and you never called back.
I will call back for sure this time around. Please, just give me a sec, please.
Okay.
We can see the passion with which Okara says, Africa, my Africa. Africa of proud warriors in ancestral Savannah. Africa of whom my grandmother sings on the banks of the distant river. I think we should stop here for today. Thank you. You can all go home free. Lucas.
Can I have the assignment?
I don't do it.
Why? Why didn't you do it?
Nobody sabi am.
You're trying to tell me no one knew the parts of speech?
And another thing wey dey vex me be say, if you wan give assignment, give everybody assignment. Run am general. No be only me dey this school, I be this class. We get beef. I no dey like as you dey behave. You go just leave everybody. Call me, they give me assignment one-on-one. Wetin happen now? Give general, no dey give me one-on-one assignment. Where you get problem?
No, don't get it wrong. See, Lucas, you're a special student. I'm just trying to help you.
Before you help people, ask them whether they need help. May you no go to help who no need help. No, since when you there for this school now, I don't bother come this place say, see, teacher, I need help. Make you no go to help who no need help. I don't send anybody, I don't even send myself. I don't use mirror. I don't want to see how I do. So no one to tell me say you won't help me. I don't need your help. They on your own, make I do on my own. Everybody go do alright. I want for you. No help me.
to instruction. You're always walking whenever you like. But I won't take it. I will deal with any student that decide to go against the do's and don'ts of this school. Especially you. I will do it all of it. Until you regain your African sense. You see now you heard the sound of the bell. Don't you know that whenever you hear bang, 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 it means that the break is over. You should be heading to your classes. But you and you will never do such. You have decided to be violating rules of this noble school. And I won't take it. And as for you that is like football, I will use you to set an example in the school. When I am done with you, you will be taller than me. Rubbish. I won't take it. Any student that refuses to adhere to instructions of this noble school will be thoroughly dealt with. And as for you, you'll be leaning down here till the school is over today. That is your punishment. And as for all of you that are seated here, the best thing to do for yourself is to adhere to do's and don'ts. Lucas, why are you just walking into the class now? Why?
How will that concern you? Now you give me the money where I go chop for break now. I be now you pay my school fees. Don't provoke me about the
Lucas, did you just ask me how you take concern me? Me that is your teacher.
You Oliver. You won't use me. Eh? What you concern you now? I know where you follow go. If I block you. Yeah. If I reason you, I will do it. Take this up now. Yeah? Come up to sit. Go and sit down.
001.
Come on. Tete!
001.
Go and sit down.
I saw.
001.
See, let me be sent, aka St. Lucas. No, they use people shine. Now, teacher you be, no be governor. Ordinary position where they give you, see as you go treat people. If you can't be governor, see, Tio will get a chair. Tio will get a chair, no, it's all.
Lucas, are you aware that you have just insulted a noble teacher of this noble school? How can you do such a thing in my presence? Don't you know that is wrong? And I will not take it from you.
If I reason you, I will do.
What? My glass! Lucas! You will hear from me! You will hear from me! Me, my glasses. Principal, what to this? You will hear from me!
These teachers, they're mad. So, what if they know they use, they will teach us. That book up and down. If success get that book, why you want your teacher to succeed? So, forget this book. See, when I don't say that, okay, when I don't die, so, I see, so we don't say, you got it in now.
Yes.
So, let me see. There, so we don't say you need outside hustle and school. School no be guarantee say you go make money. So as you dey school they look for business. Bitcoin they get. Bitcoin they pay now.
Yes.
So open Instagram account, open TikTok account. They do influence. They see go they pay you. You don't understand?
You ready, Joe?
So I don't learn 40 now.
Yes.
That's number 5. Get boyfriend and girlfriend. That one for give that one behind us.
Original.
So let's start from Uga. Oh yo yo yo. Uga! NBC. Oh yo. Uga!
Good afternoon, sir.
Nne. Come.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day, my daughter. You must be the new copper.
Yes, but how did you...
This is a very small place. Almost everyone knows everyone.
Right.
I've heard a lot about you.
Okay, but I don't quite know who...
I am Amadi Ona. Father to Lucas.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir.
So, what do you think about my son?
Well, if you're talking about school, then I think I don't see him as someone who is quite interested in school, I'm sorry to say.
You see, he has not always been like that. Since the death of his mother, it has really had a lot on him. I was about coming to the school to see you because rumors have it you are interested in him. Anyways, if there is anything in this world you can do to bring him back, I want you to consider this as a request coming from a helpless father. Please help me bring him back.
I'm truly sorry, sir. Well, I don't think there's anything I can do for him. I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, I think it's his choice to make, not mine and not yours either. I'm sorry.
Some days ago, when I woke up in the night to ease myself, I saw him studying his book in the night. This hasn't happened for a very long time. And I can see it's because of your influence on him. So I'm appealing to you to help me try to bring him back. I don't want you to let him go. Not so soon.
Wait. What did you see him studying?
Parts of speech.
Wow. It's okay. That's fine. I'll I'll see what I can do from this point. It's fine, sir. It's okay.
It's alright. Yes. Be a good girl.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe my way now.
It's okay, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Bye, sir.
So, students, for your assignment this time, I'll need you all to write whichever topic in English language you're having any problems. Okay? So we can iron them out together. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Sophia.
Good. And if any one of you fail to write out anything, I would assume you know everything and expect to answer my questions when I ask. Is that clear?
Yes, Miss Sophia.
Good. I would expect everyone to turn in something. That will be all for now. Thank you.
Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. I don't mind, I know well, but not only you could kill me, so make it kill me now, now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me.
Hey, babe.
Jide, what's really going on? It's been 2 days and I've not heard from you.
I know, babe, sis. I've just been so busy lately.
So busy that you cannot even keep in touch? You eat 3 times daily. Don't you take your bath? I don't understand, Jide. What is happening? Is there someone else?
Don't be ridiculous. You and I both know there's no one else.
At this point, I don't know. I don't.
I'm sorry, babe. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm just... there's a lot going on at the company right now. I will get it over as soon as possible, okay? I promise.
Alright.
So tell me, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm just... There's a student I'm trying to help. I just don't know what to do at this point.
See, it's just service. You shouldn't kill yourself over those children. I will send some money. See, take yourself out. Though I'm not sure if they're a nice spot over there, but you would know since you wanted to be there anyway. Okay? I'm sure you figure something out, yeah?
Okay.
You're so beautiful. Pretty teacher.
We'll be talking about closed poetry and open poetry. Now, in poetry, you can either do it as closed or open. What do I mean by closed or open? Now, closed poetry is a tight-knit kind of poetry, but when it comes to the open, it has to do with free verses. Look at.
Let me have it. Your assignment. Now.
No.
See me outside. Now. I'll be right back, class.
My dear friend.
Udogu. Who talk that thing? I go hold you. No dey fear.
Lucas, since you didn't do the assignment, I take it you already know everything. So, let's start with parts of speech. What is a noun?
I don't know. Now.
Yet you didn't do my assignment.
How will take concern you now? No, how will take concern you? Why you buy the matter now? Like say you buy a gala career for it.
Did you just say it's none of my business?
Before see, don't they stress me. They hear me so. Do like other teachers. Don't send me. Pretend I don't exist. Me say I don't see you normally. So last everybody go there alright. Don't they put eye for my life?
I am not like other teachers. Trust me, you are never going to get me off your skin except you do my assignment. I am not going to allow you.
As soon now. No, tell me now who you be waiting to command me. My mama is waiting.
Lucas, why are you here? Why the hell are you in this school if you're not ready to learn, Lucas?
I can't play football.
Lucas, you will not be able to get me off your skin except you sit up. Is that clear?
Oje, my mama, I don't see him now. See, make I tell you, as you see me so, I don't send anybody. I don't even send myself. I know they look, I don't get mirror, I know they see mirror, I don't know what see how I look. So don't come here the phone with you, I don't know for my matter. I no go do that assignment. If you think say I go do that assignment, see you, they waste your time. Nobody go tell me what I go do.
Really?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so, young man. You will do that assignment, except you want me to report you and your friends for what you did to me the other day.
We don't do you anything, no. Me and my cartel no do you and no go there. We don't do you anything.
Says who? It's your word against mine. And I hear the punishment for rape in this village is life imprisonment. Would you really like to spend the rest of your life in that horrible place?
Nobody go believe you. Nobody go believe you. So calm down.
I hear the Igwe's cell is quite horrible. And you will not want you and your friends to rot there, would you? Lucas, don't forget, I'm a youth corper, and the government could get involved. Now, I want that assignment first thing tomorrow morning on my desk. I'll be waiting.
I know well, but not only you fit kill me, so make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you fit save me, so make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sissy flyer. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sissy flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me.
Sophia. How was it?
It was very well, thank you, Mr. Oliver.
I saw you earlier with Lucas. Did he do anything so that I can tell him immediately?
Oh, not at all. Everything is fine, thank you.
It's alright. I want to go home now and change. I want to go to Bobby Joint. And I know you will like it. I just needed to tell you welcome to my village, to our school. I don't know if you appreciate it. Come with me.
Mr. Oliver.
Yes, my dear.
Thanks for now, but I'll pass. Time. Thank you.
Sorry? I didn't get it.
Mr. Oliver, I said no for now. Okay?
My lady, please, behind every no there is yes. I would prefer if you will bring yes forward and allow no to be behind. Yeah?
Have a nice day, Mr. Oliver.
Nah, are you the one who never bring it back? Go back, go back! I will do it today.
I don't matter, I know well, but not only you fit kill me, so make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you fit save me.
Mr. Oliver.
Yes.
There you are. Well, I was wondering where I can get the score sheet. I need to see Lucas's results. I mean, from the time he came into this school.
Oh, Lucas. That guy, that Lucas, the student, is a donor. You don't need to see his result. Otherwise, it will mess your day up.
Mr. Oliver, I just need to check something.
That's the problem. It is. Hey! Come back here. Come back here, my friend. Don't you have respect? Talking very well. Talking properly as a student. And also walk like a student. What happened to your respect? Button up. Better. Take this one. Walk like a student! If you insist, come with me.
Can I join you? Listen, I wasn't so bright when I was in school. I didn't understand what anyone was saying, let alone what the teacher taught. Everyone ruled me out. Nobody cared. Then, Mrs. Ozoemena was transferred to our school. I don't know why she picked an interest in me, but she did. Then, she started teaching me during our break time, after classes. And before long, I could understand everything. Before long, I was better than most of my peers. And that's because someone took a step further with me.
So you believe, say, if you come here and yarn all this up at I finish now, out of pity, I go believe, say, we get similar story. My I come there, Never Bruno Kana. We know they are alike. We are two different people now. What do they talk?
Wow. I see that now. We're nothing alike. I actually thought we were. And that's the reason why I am trying to help. Someone did something memorable for me. And I'm paying it forward by returning that favor to you. I'm extending it to you. Listen, Lucas. I'm not giving up on you. I'll do my best to help you. And I'm here whenever you want to talk.
Wait. Sit. On a normal, no be like this a day. I've been going to represent our school internationally for one competition. I win. Fall back. But before I fall back, something happened. I don't meet my mama. My mom, she died.
Oh my God.
And now she carry me go drop for park before I go that job. As I fall back, I hear say as she drop me, they go back, she get accident.
So sorry.
What you go talk now? Since that time, body they pepper me. Body they pepper me because I feel say I me kill my mama. I me kill her now because if you say I don't go that competition, she for no die.
No, you did not kill her.
What you go talk now? Since that time, me and my posse, we say, we come villa. We come villa still, everywhere no good. If I won't read and I remember my mama. If I won't do anything and I remember my mama. Anything I want to do, since my mama die, I know say life no balance. So no be say that's why they behave normally. Now that my mom's death, we turn everything upside down. Till now I never get myself. My mom's in my backbone now. Woman of wisdom, very prayerful. She supports me. She dey follow me up. She dey package me. Since when she go down, me I miss direction. I don't want to like give you. So now what is up with that?
Lucas, it's not your fault your mother died.
Not my fault. If you say she don't drop me, she don't get accident. Let me kill her now.
Lucas, your mother is dead and there is nothing you can do about it. But there is someone who is alive, who is betting on you, who is hoping and praying for you on a day-to-day basis. Besides, he is not getting any younger. Listen to me carefully. If anything happens to your father because he is worried and scared for you, then that is the person you have killed. I learned you came back to school because of him. Why not do it properly? Why not just change totally because of him? Or you think your mother, if she were to be alive, would be happy seeing this version of you? Tell me. This is not the version you want your mother to know. And trust me, she's looking at you from up above. Lucas, remember, your mother died, but she hasn't left you. She's still watching over you. And your father is hoping on you. Have that at the back of your mind. Try to change properly. And I'm here to support you whenever you want. Okay?
I know well, but not only you could kill me. So make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe up, but not only you can save me. So make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly, yeah. You know they bite like a sassy fly, yeah. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly, yeah. You know they bite like a sassy fly.
Who is there?
AKA St. Lucas.
You who?
St. Lucas.
Lucas, what are you doing here? Are you okay?
Everywhere good, calm down. See, now based on that tape where you play me, a bomb reasoning. You don't understand? You talk well. You talk well.
I'm glad. But in as well. No!
So,
in as much as I would like this conversation to go on, I think it's quite late and it's not entirely proper for you to be here. So please just go. I'll talk to you tomorrow in school.
Your room choke. Yes, simple. Just be simple. See, I've been shit now. Very good. Bye, I want tomorrow.
Alright, goodbye, Lucas. Lucas! Mr. Oliver.
I saw Lucas on my way in.
Yes. He actually came to turn in an assignment.
This late?
Mr. Oliver, what are you doing here?
I made abacha. And I thought that giving you part of it will go well.
Thanks for the thought, but I don't want it. I don't want it. Thank you.
Are you trying to tell me that you will reject this after all the stress?
Thank you, Mr. Oliver.
Thank you, Pat. I said it.
Good night, Mr. Oliver.
Please. Finish it.
Good night, Mr. Oliver.
Good night.
Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me.
Relative clause now.
Let's try that in English, please.
Relative clause, which is also known as adjectival clauses, gives us additional information on the subject of independent clauses that they are related to. Example: who, whom, which, that.
Clap for him.
Lucas! 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 Lucas!
You keep shut.
Can you define semantics? Never mind. Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us, what is semantics?
Ma, it's not in our scheme of work.
I fit wrong now. Semantics can be defined as the
Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh,
was so impressed with you today. Anyways, I see you're always seated here alone. Isn't it boring?
Normal level, my day.
Can we try communicating in English? What were you trying to say?
Okay. It is. Just that it's better than staying in the midst of children.
This place is cool though. I think I should read something.
What book is that?
It's a novel, Lord of the Flies.
Lord of the Flies. You haven't read it?
I think the proper word should be reread, because I've read this novel over 1,000,000 times. You won't even believe it. Have you read it?
Of course, I read it when I was in JSS too. Yes, it's an interesting one. And my favorite character was Piggy.
Piggy is everyone's favorite character. Show me a person who has read this book and doesn't root for Piggy. Let's leave that. What's your favorite theme?
The inherent evil in men. According to the book, men are wicked in nature. They can only be controlled by rules and regulations. So when there is law and people are abiding by it, there will be less crime. But in a situation whereby there is law and no one cares about it, definitely there will be high rate of crime. So in a nutshell, when people obey the rules and regulations, you help keep them in check. Or better say, it will help keep them in check. What's yours?
The loss of innocence. Yes. When the kids first got to the island, they were so innocent. They couldn't even kill a pig. But reading further, these kids became murderers, savages. And towards the end of the novel, they had committed murder twice, headed towards the third. Oh, that's the break.
I enjoyed this.
Then we should do this some more. Okay, I know what to do. Here. Yeah.
Women of Moon.
Yes. Read it, and when you're done, we'll talk about it. Okay?
Thanks for coming. Women of Owu. Women of Owu.
Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me.
You are aware that the continuous assessment for this term will commence next week.
That's correct, ma.
Okay. I would want you to bring your questions to my office tomorrow.
Okay, Mama, I'll do just that.
And one more thing. My daughter said something about you teaching something that's outside the scheme of work.
Yes, that's true. It's just that I thought I should, give them a vast knowledge on other things instead of restricting them to the scheme of work.
Are you aware that the body that formulated this scheme of work knew what topics to take in and the one to exclude. What I'm trying to say is this. Stick to the scheme of work. Are we on the same page now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right.
Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane. Flying like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Pretty teacher. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. You are the best of me, pretty teacher.
This girl is really smart. Wow. What?
Mr. Oliver!
How are you?
Can you take a look at this?
This is Evelyn's script.
Yes.
What? This is weird. She have never failed a question since I started working in this school as a teacher.
As you can see, she failed number 5. The same question I just set in class. So, the principal asked me to submit the questions after setting them.
Yes, that is the status quo.
I did submit 4 questions. But as the test was going on, I decided to add a random question, which is number 5. As you can see, she failed it.
I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Mr. Oliver, I've noticed that every time I ask them questions that is in their scheme of work, she seems to get it, with ease. But when I ask them something that is not in their scheme of work, and it's something that is supposed to be easy, considering how smart she is, she doesn't get it. And even the questions she got this week, when I come back next week, of course I'm supposed to ask them or teach them on a new topic. But when I decide to just ask her questions randomly from what was taught previously the other week, she seems not to have any idea of what I'm saying.
Sophia, with all this your explanation, I still cannot lay hold on anything. I don't understand anything from it.
Simply put, Mr. Oliver, I think the principal shows her the scheme of work beforehand and she crams every single topic.
It's not a bad idea.
It's not bad, but Mr. Oliver, I think the principal shows her the tests and the exam questions also.
I have no idea about that.
That is why I'm telling you.
Sophia, that is a grave accusation. And I will appreciate it if you don't allow any ear to hear about it. And as for me, I will pretend that this conversation never happened. So please, zip your mouth.
success calls are in. Honestly, I am not impressed. Only one person got all the answers. Anyway. As you can see, it's really not impressive. I'm deeply sad over this outcome. And I think I'll just have to do something fast about this. This is not impressive at all.
It's not Evelyn, no.
What? Then what? Hey, this is not really good.
So how is work going?
Work is going fine. How is that village? What's the name again?
I'm sure I've told you the name a million times, yet you keep forgetting.
I'm sorry. It's just that I've had a lot to think about other than that your village. Is that your room?
I don't know. I don't know. I think so. I think it is. I don't know.
Who could be knocking at your door by this time of the night?
You know what? Let me just call you back, okay? Give me a minute. I'll call you back. Who is it?
Lucas.
Lucas.
Good evening.
Hey, what are you doing here at this time of the night?
I came to return this. I wanted to give you in school, but you left.
Yes, thank you too. Yeah, I forgot to tell you in school. Congratulations.
Thanks. I was wondering if there is another novel.
Definitely. You know what? I'll look for it and get it across to you tomorrow in school. Okay?
Good night.
Good night, Lucas.
I know where to, but not only you can kill me, so make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me, so make it save me now.
Hello?
Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sense of fly. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher.
Guess what I have for you today?
We have over 80 billion books in the world. So how am I supposed to guess from that?
You're right. Okay, fine. Here.
The gods are not to blame.
Correct again.
I've heard so much about this book.
And now you have an opportunity to read it. Thanks to someone amazing.
You are truly amazing.
I know.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll just go back in.
All right. Thank you. Huh?
Sure.
Bye. Miss Sophie. Everywhere choke.
Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
I was wondering when you will give these children their English scripts.
English scripts?
Yes.
But I did that yesterday.
Oh, maybe my daughter forgot to mention it to me.
I guess so too.
Yes. All right, you go ahead, okay?
It's okay, ma'am. No problem.
Bright like a sun ray, sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful, pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane, fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful.
Mom, you sent for me.
Yes. Where is your English script?
It's in my bag.
Your bag? Why didn't you show it to me?
I failed one.
You did what? Why?
She changed the question. She added another question to it. And I did not read that one. That woman, she added another question. And that auntie, I don't know. She's very wicked. Why would she add another question? I didn't read that one. That is why I failed one.
She did?
So, I've taught on what to do, and I'll be giving you students a makeup test.
My makeup test. We don't need it.
Evelyn, who are you to tell me what I can or cannot do?
Yes, answer her.
Ma, I'm just saying.
Evelyn! Prepare for your makeup test. We'll be having it tomorrow.
Yes, thank you.
We need it to go see faith. Now, hey, Niroche, face your front. Hey, face your front.
Thank you for walking me home.
The pleasure is mine.
My bag. Yes, Lucas. For the test tomorrow, I hope you do better and get a higher score, okay?
I will try.
No, you will do your best.
But by your subject now, you will never fail by your subject.
Lucas.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's your subject. You won't fold your hands on what you feel on the subject.
Would you like anything? Water perhaps?
Of course, I want water, but don't. So that I will have reason to come back. I'll come back for my water when I want.
And this?
I'm a logo now. Don't worry, I will fix some water.
Lucas.
Bye, Miss Sophie.
Bye, Lucas.
I can't breathe up, but only you can save me. So make you save me now. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a fly.
Hey,
look what you've done to me.
I heard you're planning on giving a makeup test to necessary students.
Yes, ma. I'm actually headed there right now.
And you didn't think to run it by me before then?
Ma?
Yes. Don't you know that whatever you want to do in the school, you have to tell me first?
But, ma, the students failed the previous one. I just thought it was necessary to give...
What you think is unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. I should be in the know of everything you want to do in this school because you don't have such rights to do anything you want to do.
But, ma...
Yes?
You don't expect me to use a test where only 2 students scored above average.
And whose fault is that? Who set the questions?
I did, ma. But I also ran it by you and you endorsed it. Ma, please. I'm going to the class right now to give them their makeup test. Thank you. Excuse me, ma.
You're so beautiful. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful.
Are you okay? Hello?
Lucas, I'm fine. How was the test?
Fine. What's bothering you?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Is it the principal? Because I saw both of you.
Oh, that was nothing. Like, everything is fine.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Listen, if the principal is stressing you, just tell me. I swear I will deal with her.
Lucas, are you serious or joking?
I'm joking and I'm serious at the same time. If the principal stresses you, walai, she will collect. Anybody that stresses you, woto. You see this school, Hazuzo, if they stress you, I will shut it down, I swear. Now.
Lucas, no one is stressing, okay? Everything is fine.
That's mad now. Everything is fine.
Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher. Sit like a sugar cane. Fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. You are the best of me. Pretty teacher. Oh yeah. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful.
Hey, babe.
Hey, how are you?
I'm not fine.
What's the problem? Are you okay?
It has something to do with school. I think my principal has been showing the test and exam questions to her daughter.
Well, she's just been a mother, baby.
What are you saying? What about the other students who actually read for these exams? You don't even understand what I mean. This girl has always gotten perfect scores, and looking at her script right now, she's not getting average.
Calm down now, babe. Calm down. Look, this is government work, not your father's work. You should know.
What are you even saying, Jide? Why do you always respond this way?
What else am I supposed to say? Tell me.
The way you're saying it.
Well, I don't know what you want me to say.
Anything else apart from what you just said? You know what, Jide? I'm sleepy. I'll talk to you some other time.
Babe!
Yes? Please come in.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. How may I help you?
I brought in the script from the test.
Okay.
As you can see, their performance is better than the previous one.
Except that some people are at a disadvantage. Evelyn scored 16 in the previous test. Here she got a 5. Only God knows how many other students that have the same issue.
Ma, Evelyn is the only one who has a decline in her performance. Every other student did better than the previous one, except for Lucas, who maintained the highest.
Lucas? Same Lucas?
Yes, ma. He got the highest score.
Fat Dons?
Ma.
Lucas has been fooling every one of us. He is not as dull as you think. In fact, he isn't even dull at all. You can see that from his script.
It's right there.
Exactly.
On the other hand, Evelyn is the one fooling us. And with all due respect, should I say you both?
Shut up.
Ma.
I know you've been showing Evelyn the test and exam questions beforehand.
How dare you? How dare you make such accusations about me? Do you have any proof? Do you have any proof to your claim? Do you?
By the time they are done with their exams, I will have enough proof to back up all my claims.
Get out! Get out! Take all this. Get out of this place.
Excuse me.
Can you imagine that? Evelyn, You scored 5 over 20. 5! What is it?
Mom, I tried to read, but there were so many things to read at the time, and at the end I couldn't cover up where she would set the questions from.
Let's hope your father doesn't say this. You know how he is.
Mom, please, can you get her not to use this?
I don't think so. That girl is stubborn. Even Lucas scored more than you did.
About that, Mom. Lucas has been doing well in classes now. He has been answering questions correctly nowadays. I'm surprised.
That's what she told me.
But Mom, don't you think it's suspicious? Lucas, I'm far better than Lucas. I don't know, it's suspicious.
What are you thinking?
Mom, Miss Sophia shows up and Lucas started doing well in her subject. And even more, I always see them together. I think there is something going on between them. And she always give him questions before her exam.
You see them together?
A whole lot, Mom. They even have a special place in this school. I always see them during break time. If you want, I'll go and show you during break time. I'll go and show you where they always be.
Oh. Come in.
Good afternoon.
Oliver, what is this rumor I hear about a student and a copper?
Rumor and student? I have no idea, man. Sophia.
Mr. Oliver?
How are you? Please, can you come with me?
Okay.
Hey, Sophia. All right. Sophia, I believe that by now you should have noticed that I am so much into you. And I want us to go to the next step. More than just being colleagues. I want us to do something serious.
Mr. Oliver, I'm in a relationship. I have a boyfriend.
You do?
Of course, and it's a very serious one.
It's alright.
If that'll be all, I'd love to go back to class.
Why not? Enjoy.
You know they bite like a sister flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me.
Hi.
Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me.
Hello?
Someone finally decided to peak. What's really the problem? You know, I don't know what exactly to do. That I've not done for you, Sophia. I do every single thing a lover is supposed to do. What else would you have me do? Do you know all I do for you? Even those who I have no idea of. I even spend thousands of money to make sure you're posted to the east here and not sent to the north.
What did you just say?
I don't like the way you make big deal about everything I do. I'm trying to let...
Jide, that's not what I just said. I'm asking you what you just said.
Well,
Did you influence my posting, Jide?
I had to, or he would have sent you to the north with this insecurity. I couldn't.
Wow. Just wow, Jide.
Sophia!
Barman!
What of the ones we don't lie? What of the one where they protect? You don't know as we take the confirm, they enter water, they later come they call us to respect.
Hey, sexy teacher.
Lucas.
Sexy teacher, what are you doing here all by yourself?
I should be asking you that. What are you doing here?
I came to chill with my friends. Look at them. Hi.
Okay.
So you normally come here?
No, I basically just discovered this place tonight and I wanted to just cool off.
Are you sure you're fine? Are you with someone?
I'm fine, Lucas, and I'm not with anyone. Would you like anything?
No, I'm fine. I don't do alcohol. You're saying you're fine, but you're not lively. I need to see those smiles, man.
Lucas, I'm fine.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Look at your beautiful tits.
I'm fine, but come on, it's late. You shouldn't be outside at this time.
I came to chill with my friends, like I said.
Oh, I see. I hope you're still reading though.
Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful.
I need you to do something for me.
What?
I want you to promise me that you start dressing properly to school from now on.
I promise to change henceforth.
Let me trust you.
So tell me, why did you agree to serve here?
Fate. Yes, I'm a believer in fate. I just think when some things are destined to happen, you know, they just happen. I just go with the flow. That's it.
I like the way you think. Now let me tell you, you are serving here because of me. Yes, fate brought you here, and all thanks to fate.
Lucas. Mr. Oliver.
It's like I interrupted something.
Mr. Oliver. Not at all.
Lucas, you can go home. I will take it off from here.
Mr. Oliver, I was just going home. I can go myself.
And I want to escort you home.
No, it's fine. I can go myself.
I insist that I will escort you
Mr.
home.
Oliver, I'm a grown-up. I can go home.
I insist.
Mr. Oliver, you heard her loud and clear. She wants to go home by herself. Are you forcing her?
Lucas, it's okay. Go home. Okay? I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Good night. Mr. Oliver. Good night.
See, I was the one who made the offer first. You turned it down, and that boy made an offer and he accepted it. Why?
Don't be ridiculous, Mr. Oliver.
I am ridiculous. Why would I be ridiculous?
Mr. Oliver, good night.
Hey, if you move, I insist that I'll be the one to walk you home. Sorry, sir.
Hope you're okay.
Yes, and thanks for tonight.
Don't worry. I think we should report him to the Igwe.
No, there's no need for that. I mean, you've given him enough beating. That's fine.
And how are we sure he won't come work for you?
He won't. He won't.
That idiot needs to be punished properly.
You have punished him enough. Did you see the beatings? That's enough for anyone. Trust me, it's not ever gonna bother me again.
He might be up to something. Maybe revenge. You never can tell.
Lucas, he won't. It's fine.
Anyways, even if he does, he will have me to contend with.
Thank you. Thank you.
Once again, you're welcome, okay?
Sure, thanks.
I know but not only if it kill me.
Good night.
Good night.
So make it kill me.
Thank you.
Now. No, I can't breathe out. But not only you can save me. So make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a sassy fly. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a sassy fly.
Good afternoon. What happened to your face?
I fell down, man.
Oh, so sorry. That must be a hard fall.
It was, man.
Sorry about that, but is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. Apart from your suspicions. You know, you were suspecting that a copper was having an affair with a student. Lucas and the copper. I have confirmed it to be true.
How sure are you?
I am very sure, man. In fact, I saw them with my eyes, kissing and romancing each other.
Do you have an evidence of this?
No, man.
Okay. Don't mention this to anyone. Okay? Don't let her know. Don't let anybody know about it. Don't let her know. Don't let anybody know about it. We will deal with her when the time comes, okay? But gather more evidence for me.
Yes,
alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it up, okay?
Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Hey! Usually scared you, pay.
What are you doing here? School dismissed over an hour ago.
I have been waiting for you. I want to walk you home.
That's not necessary. I can go home myself.
No. No one knows what that madman is up to.
Lucas, he isn't up to anything. Trust me, that punch you gave him is enough. Besides, he's seen me over 1 billion times today. He didn't even talk to me. Neither did he even look my way.
To me, you walking home alone is a big risk. So please, let me walk you home.
Lucas.
I insist.
I know well, but not only you can kill me. So make it kill me now. No love.
Let's go.
I can't breathe up, but not only you can save me. So make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a sister fly.
What's it?
Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly.
Lucas.
You know they bite like a sister fly.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Can I come in?
Please. Come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I bought you food.
How could you even afford this?
I have a side hustle.
Which is?
I'm robbery.
What? Lucas.
Just kidding. Remember I told you I won a competition?
So?
I had 10 million naira in my bank account. I just decided to start spending it since I met you. Though my father kept it from me all this while. But since I met you, I decided to collect my money and start spending it.
Okay. Thank you.
Now that you know the money I used to buy this food is not stolen,
Thank
Would
you.
I help you?
Thank you. Okay, as you wish. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, wow.
That tastes nice, like really nice.
I told you, my village is the best.
Everyone would say that.
I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sure you don't want to join me?
No.
Really? What?
There is something I'm looking
I don't matter, I know well, but not only you can kill me. So make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me. So make it save me.
What are you doing? Oh, this is not right. This just go. Go, Lucas. Just leave, please.
Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher.
Good night.
Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a sister fire. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me.
Class. This is weird. We are having English and the teacher is not here. She never misses class. It's true. She never misses her class. What's happening?
Maybe we should ask the husband.
Husband?
Yes, Lucas.
Who said that? Report. I said, make you come here, you mad.
Oh yeah, move! I said move! I said move! You don't make I move.
I'm not fair. You think so I send your mama? Divide yourself. See, I don't send anybody. I don't even send myself. I know they use mirror. If I finish dealing with you, go call your mama. I know that she's the principal. I will still deal with her. You have my knowledge. How can I go stand there? They are not with my name. From today, I hereby ban you from talking anytime I'm around. Once I'm around, you don't talk. You hear me so? Did you hear me? Come here, see, if I stand up like that. Come on, Sabbath. Come on for here. Come on for here. Okay, one place is jump up.
And what is going on here? And you! Where is it from? Why are you crying?
Lucas!
Lucas? Hey Lucas! What is the meaning of this? What is wrong with you? Lucas, I am talking to you. I am talking to you.
End nonsense teaching. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You were not in school today.
No, I wasn't. I had so much to do today.
Okay. I said let me come and check on you and make sure you're fine.
Lucas.
Sexy teacher.
I think you should stop coming here.
What?
Yes. Except of course it's an emergency. Other than that, we should both meet in school, okay?
Is that what you want?
Of course.
I will respect that. So be it.
Pretty teacher, thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me, teach me. Oh, you are the best of me, pretty teacher. Bright like a sun ray, like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane. Fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Pretty teacher. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. You are the best of me. Pretty teacher.
So today we're going to talk about English and how we came into Nigeria. Reading English was first from the Portuguese, so first. Good. Now, when the Portuguese crossed over to our beautiful and beloved country, Nigeria, right? They needed to trade with us. So they started with the little things that they could understand, like hello, according to what the Yoruba people say. I know most people think it's from the Yoruba language, it's not actually from the Portuguese. You know, back then, when they usually bring pepper to Nigeria as cocktail, they don't know how well done. Okay. You, do you have any questions for me? No, not for now. Okay. Now, let's say
Excuse me. Mr. Adams. Excuse me. Can we talk?
Pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me. Sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me, teach me. Oh, you are the best of me. Pretty teacher. Bright like a sun ray. Sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane. Fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Oh, pretty teacher. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. Oh, you are the best of me. Pretty teacher.
Just excuse me. Please, can
That
we
won't be necessary. I can walk home myself. Thank you.
At least hear me out.
You're so beautiful. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful.
Look, Kevin, I'm
Adamado, I know well, but not only you could kill me. So make it kill me now, now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you.
Hello.
Sophie, you finally picked, thank God.
Jide, I need a break.
What?
It's obvious we're not working out, Jide. We want different things. Besides, we're not even alike one bit.
But that's us though. We've never been alike. We've always loved each other. Our differences have never been a problem.
Now I know better.
It's 9 p.m. Sophie, for crying out loud. Who is that?
It's none of your business. Not anymore. At least.
Sophie! Sophie!
Who is it? What do you want?
Asemeka, sorry, I said let me talk.
Thank you. You could have waited till tomorrow to do that.
Sorry about that. Forgive me, I wanted to see you and talk to you.
Thank you. Good luck to us.
I know well, but not only you can kill me. So make it kill me now, now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me. So make it save me now, now. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a fly. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a fly. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me, teach me. Oh, you are the best of me. Pretty teacher, bright like a sun ray, sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher, sweet like a sugar cane, fly like a butterfly. You're beautiful, sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. You are the best of me. Pretty teacher. Oh yeah. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Thank you very much. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful.
From road to road, you just start getting out. Introduce yourself.
Pretty teacher,
Just like that.
you're so beautiful.
So let's start from there. She's not a fan for her. Let's start from
My name is
I don't mind, I know, but not only you could kill me, so make it kill me now, now. I can't breathe, but not only you can save me, so make it save me. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a butterfly. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a fly. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me, teach me. Sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher.
Amen.
Sweet like
Yes.
sugar cane. Fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Pretty teacher. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. You are the best of me. Pretty teacher. Oh yeah. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. Pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so beautiful. Pretty teacher, you're so I don't mind, I know well, but not only you could kill me, so make it kill me now, now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only you can save me, so make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sense of flyer. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a sense of flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me, tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me, teach me. You are the best of me. Pretty teacher. Bright like a sun ray. Sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane. Fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful. Sexy teacher.
See, everywhere good, not going the old person. And I tell you, when you go to chat everywhere good, everywhere good. You go the old person, everywhere no good with that.
Yes.
How want I go to chat everywhere good when you never clear it?
Now, do good the young.
No, that means everywhere no good finish.
Yes, no. Yes, no.
Only you again.
Yes, no. Now, do good the young. As talk and say it be.
So,
Hey. Okay. I went by your house and your father told me you were here at the bar and that it's your favorite spot.
yes, it is.
It's been a week, Lucas, and you've not been in school.
I had to do something to get your attention.
Now you have my attention. What do you want to talk about?
I love you. Yes. I love you and I mean every one of it.
Stop.
I can't get my mind off you.
Stop. Stop, please.
I have never felt like this for anyone.
Lucas, can you stop?
I love you, Sophie.
I'm not having this conversation with you right now.
If you don't feel the same way, you can say it and trust me, I won't bother you again.
Lucas, can you snap out of it? I'm not having this conversation with you.
I love you, Sophie.
I think I should just leave.
Alright, maybe let's go to.
It's fine, I can go myself.
Oh, come on. As much as you told me, that was not the problem, okay? Well, you came out because of me. Just assume I'm a total stranger trying to make sure you get home safe. Let's go to sleep. And trust me, we'll never have this conversation again.
You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher.
What's going on? What happened? Obele, what happened?
They call and say Papa no way.
Settle in. You, collect the assignments and bring it to the office. Lucas. Lucas. What is it?
My father is dead. You want me. You want me. I killed him.
No. Don't say that. You didn't. Listen, that night I found you at the bar. He told me how proud he was of you. He was truly proud to be your father. You didn't kill him. I'm sure if it was within his power, he won't leave you this early. It's okay, you don't have to cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Jide, what are you doing here?
How? Was it because of this you've been acting up? This thing? Here?
Please don't bring him into this. It has nothing to do with it.
Wow! So I spent those long hectic hours trying to surprise you.
Unfortunately, I was the one that got to be surprised.
Don't be ridiculous. It's just 2 hours away from the city. Besides, who asked you to surprise me? If you had done this some months back, then it would have mattered. But right now, no.
Oh my God. Sophia! I get you understand what you're doing. I get you understand what you're doing. Have a good day.
I'm sorry.
No. It's nothing to do with you. You don't have to be sorry. The truth... Listen, I've been fighting this a while now. Perhaps it's not right, but... Lucas, I love you. I'm in love with you.
Pretty teacher, thank God for the butterfly. You know they bite like a flyer. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher.
Lucas!
Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me. Oh, you are the best of me. Pretty teacher, bright like a sun ray, sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful. Pretty teacher, sugar cane, fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful, sexy teacher. You bring the best of me.
You are aware that examination is fast approaching. So I would want you to turn in your exam papers. I would want you to turn in your exam questions for endorsement.
I'm sorry. I'll have to turn down that offer.
It wasn't an offer. It is an order.
I'm afraid I can't submit my questions to you and risk you showing it to Evelyn. Please, just allow me some time, at least after this exam, to see if she also have the perfect score as she usually does. If she does that, then that's fine. I'm ready to face any query or disciplinary measures you would like to take against me. But if she doesn't, then yourself and Evelyn will have to apologize to the entire school, and that will be the proof you always wanted.
How dare you? Who do you think you are? Some saint? You sit here and you judge me when you do what? Oh, sure, I know. I'm aware of what is going on between you and a student in this school. Can you deny that? Can you? Look at this. You will have to explain this to the king and local government inspector. And my dear, what do you think will happen by the time it gets out? I hope you know what you're doing. Do you? Get out of my office. Get out! I want those questions by next week. Else, get out. Get out!
Principal, I overheard you two talking. Is this why you made me go through the stress of getting an evidence? So as to make her submit the questions of the exam to your daughter.
I'll be a fool if that's the only reason. I will show the picture to the king and the local government inspector. This will serve as a warning to anyone in this school or wherever who is trying to go against me. Okay? But you don't worry. I'll deal with her when the time comes. You may go.
Are you okay?
No.
What's going on?
To think I actually wanted to make a change here.
What happened?
It's the principal. She's been showing the test and exam questions to her daughter Evelyn. That's why she's always come first. I wanted to withhold my questions and not submit it this time, so I can compare her previous performances to this time around, but I can't do that anymore.
Why?
Because they have a picture of both of us where we're kissing.
Listen, they can't use that against you, okay? I was the one who kissed you. It's all my fault.
Stop.
No, I will go and tell them, listen, it's not your fault. I forced you into it.
No, just stop, Lucas. I know what I'll do. I'll just give her the question papers. That way there'll be peace. Let's get it over and done with.
Listen, I know our principal too well. She has a dubious character. Even if you give her those grades, she will definitely use those pictures against you. It's all my fault.
Stop saying that. It's not your fault. I'm the teacher here. It's not your fault.
It's all my fault. I know what I'm saying.
It's not your fault.
You know what? I will drop out of school.
What?
Yes.
You will do no such thing.
Then what?
Yes, come in.
Okay, ma'am.
You made the right decision.
I know that even after I've given you this, you are still going to show the picture to the king and our local government inspector. But please, Ma, I want to beg you. Just leave Lucas out of all of this. You know, he's only beginning to
indicate any interest in learning, keep his identity hidden, ma. Please, I'm begging. Let me bear all the punishment. Whatever you want to do, do it to me. Just leave him out of it, please.
You know you're smart. Yes. You're smart. And that's what has landed you into this mess you are in. 20 years. For 20 years, I have been in this school and I did this exactly the way I wanted to. Parents who wanted their children to pass exams came to me for negotiations. Of course. And they paid the exact amount I asked them to. So when my daughter was admitted into this school, I did the same for her. I mean, which parents wouldn't do that? Especially when you are at the helm of their affairs. You have the power to do so, so why wouldn't I?
But ma, I truly don't mean to disrespect you. You're not helping her at all.
Shut up. I'm not done yet. For 20 years, I did this in the school. Nobody found out. No teacher suspected. And you, little girl, just few months that you came into this, and you think you can humiliate me?
But that was never my intention.
Shut up! Quiet. Still talking. By the time I'm done with you, you will ever regret coming into this school and coming into this village. You want to humiliate me? You want to spoil all that I have done for 20 years? You think you can do that? I will so deal with you. You want to spoil things for me? Please what? Anyway, I was about coming to your palace tomorrow. Please sit down.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Your Highness, there's no need of you coming here. I was even planning to come and see you in the palace tomorrow.
Well, I decided to come uninvited. She must be Sophia.
Yes. And to what do I owe this visit?
I came because of Lucas. He came to the palace yesterday and made a report. But I didn't believe him. I hung out there for quite some time now and I heard everything. How could you, Mrs. Annie?
But, Your Majesty, did Lucas tell you his unwholesome affair with the copper? Did he tell you that?
He's a man.
He's a student.
He's 26. I got married at the age of 25. I was a king at the age of 28. He's a man.
But he's a student.
Mrs. Annie, I will forgive the fact that you are trying to drift from the subject matter, but it's fine. We will get back to that in a jiffy. Did I hear you say he's having a wholesome relationship with a girl? He's a man. Like I said, Lucas is old enough to make decisions for himself. Well, I'm not trying to support what Lucas and Sophia did because it's against moral conduct. Sophia is a teacher, Lucas a student. That's the only level I am faulting them. But then again, this is a matter of the heart. We are helpless in the face of these things, and I'm a man of love. But I am not faulting them even more. Like I said,
Lucas is not a child. Yeah, he even confided in me that he has been the one making advances to the couple.
Oh, like he can say anything. I mean, knowing the kind of person he is.
This life is very simple. We are the ones making life very difficult and even more difficult than it's supposed to be. Right? Well, this is my verdict. I have told Lucas not to step his foot into this school until his senior WAEC. At least it will show to others that we do not tolerate such kind of relationship between a teacher
and a student. Yes, that's kind of you. I mean, that's nice of you, sir.
Sophia.
Your Majesty.
Henceforth, you are going to teach sex education in 4 schools in 1 month.
Your Majesty, thank you so very much for your verdict.
Mrs. Annie, Your Majesty, I think it is high time you step down for someone else to try. I will write to the board and you will be transferred to another school where you will function in the capacity of a classroom teacher. This is my verdict. And I expect that this matter die here in the room.
Your Majesty.
I don't matter, I know well, but not only if it kill me, so make it kill me now. No life, I can't breathe, but not only if it save me, so make it save me now. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a fly. Look what you've done to me, pretty teacher. Thank God for the butterfly, you know they bite like a fly. Look what you've done to me, sexy teacher. Tease me. Oh, you bring the best of me. Oh, teach me. Oh, you are the best of me, pretty teacher. Bright like a sun ray, sweet like sugar cane. Life is beautiful, pretty teacher. Sweet like a sugar cane, fly like a butterfly. You're so beautiful, sexy teacher. You bring the best of me. Oh, pretty teacher. You're so beautiful. Oh, you are the best of me, pretty teacher. Oh yeah. Oh, pretty teacher. You're so beautiful.